Hi everyone. So in this short video I'm just going to show you how to access your ePortfolio using your mobile phone, how to create a page, and then how to edit that page as the year goes on using your mobile phone, as I said. So the first thing to do is you go to learning.ga.ie, log in, and then on the top right hand side of the screen you'll see that there's three white lines. Press that, scroll down, click ePortfolio. Alright. When you're on this page then you'll press create, and then we're going to press the button here that has a plus sign and add, and we're going to add a page. Now you only need to do this once as the year goes on, because you add to that page, then you create your My Future Leaders Journey page and you'll add to it then. Alright, and we'll call this one 4 because I've a number of them made already. We'll scroll down. Layout here, if you want to change the layout of the page, you do so here, or the skins, which is the background or the color of the font or whatever you want to change, you can change it there. Now you don't have to do it right now when you're saving your page at first, but you can go back in and do it at a later stage. Okay, so now this brings us into the section where we're going to actually create the page. Now the best thing to do here is turn the phone to the side. It'll mean that the menu on the left hand side is much larger and easier to read. Okay, so we can add a number of different things here. We can add text, we can add an image, we can add any sort of file like PowerPoint, Excel, Word documents. We can add links to Google Docs or 365 or any other online documents that you might have. And we can add YouTube videos. Okay, so to add any of these things, you just grab text box, put it across, and you just let it drop there where it's highlighted. So we can call this text box, let me see, just intro for example. Okay, and then so I've added that. Now if I wanted to edit that and add more text into it, so let's say underneath it you just press the tool button there just beside where the rubbish bin is, here on the top right hand side. Okay, same applies for an image. So if I wanted to take an image, I just grab that and drag it across, and you can add an image that's already on your phone, add an image that's in your ePortfolio already. You can take an image from the internet, or if it's a case that you're out at an event and you want to take a picture of what's going on during this event, you can just press choose files, and we're going to take a photograph. So we press camera. And that brings us down so we can take a photograph of whatever we're looking at. So this is just the website here. Take a quick photo there. Press OK. And now that is going to upload there. As you can see, it's uploading to the website. Okay, and then you press save, and that image then appears on your page like so. Okay, if it's a case that you want to add external media like a YouTube clip, just grab that. Again, same thing applies, put it across, and here where it says URL or embed code, what you do is you go to YouTube, you copy and paste the link of whatever video it is you want to put in there, and then paste it in here where the URL or embed code is, and same thing applies. Then you press save. As I said, if you want to change what the background looks like and all that, you can do so by going into the layout, okay, or the skins. But if you want to add a heading, you just click on that button just down below the menu there, and you, let's say for example primary school. So there we are now. So after adding color to the headings there, so that's, I just clicked on theme there and chose primary school. Okay, if I want to change the background, I go to settings, and then I can go back in and change the skin. All right, then to see what the page looks like, you just click on display page. Now once I've done that, and let's say I've gone away and a few days later I want to go back in and I want to make another change to that page, let's say I'll make an update, so I just go back into my ePortfolio, click on the page it was, and then I go up here, I see this My Future Leaders Journey 4, and I go edit this page, and that brings me back to where I was. So I can add whatever new entry I want to make into my portfolio again. All right.